As a homeowner in Orangeburg, you are always looking for ways to increase the value and comfort of your property while keeping your long-term costs down. One of the smartest investments you can make for your home is replacing old, inefficient windows with new, energy-efficient replacement windows. Whether you're updating the look of your home or improving its functionality, replacement windows provide a wide range of benefits that save money and enhance your living environment. Energy savings and lower utility bills. One of the biggest advantages of replacement windows is their ability to improve your home's energy efficiency. Older windows, especially those that are single-pane, tend to have poor insulation. They allow air to leak in and escape, causing your heating and cooling systems to work overtime, driving up your utility bills. In contrast, modern replacement windows are built with insulating features like double or triple panes, low-E coatings, and gas fills such as argon or krypton, which minimize heat transfer. By installing energy-efficient windows, you'll notice a significant reduction in your energy bills. With lower heating and cooling costs, you can enjoy a more comfortable home, all while saving money each month. Improved home comfort. Replacement windows are not only designed for energy efficiency, but also for comfort. Older windows may allow drafts to enter your home, leading to uneven indoor temperatures. Whether it's a chilly breeze in the winter or excessive heat in the summer, uncomfortable drafts can make your home less enjoyable. When you invest in replacement windows, you benefit from better insulation, which means your home's temperature stays consistent throughout the year. No more drafty rooms or temperature fluctuations, just a more comfortable living space year-round. Enhanced curb appeal and aesthetic appeal. First impressions matter, and the exterior of your home plays a significant role in its curb appeal. Old, worn-out windows can make even the most well-maintained homes appear outdated and neglected. On the other hand, new replacement windows instantly enhance the beauty and style of your home. Replacement windows come in a variety of styles, colors, and finishes that complement your home's aesthetic. Whether you prefer a classic look with traditional double-hung windows or a modern touch with sleek casement windows, there's an option for every homeowner's style. Upgrading your windows can dramatically boost your home's exterior appearance, making it stand out in your neighborhood. Increased home value. If you're thinking about selling your home in the future, replacement windows are an excellent investment. They add value to your property and make your home more attractive to potential buyers. Many buyers are looking for homes that are move-in ready with energy-efficient features, and new windows can be a major selling point. In addition to improved curb appeal, replacement windows contribute to your home's overall energy efficiency, which can be a huge draw for environmentally conscious buyers. A good return on investment, ROI, for replacement windows is one of the reasons many homeowners choose to make the upgrade, even if they don't plan on selling immediately. Reduced maintenance and long-term durability. Traditional windows, particularly those made from wood, require a lot of maintenance. They need to be regularly painted, sealed, and treated to protect against moisture, decay, and pests. Over time, this maintenance can add up, making your windows a costly burden. Replacement windows, particularly vinyl, fiberglass, or aluminum windows, require little to no maintenance. These materials are durable, weather-resistant, and don't need to be repainted or resealed every few years. Modern replacement windows are designed to last, offering long-term durability with minimal upkeep. By investing in these low-maintenance windows, you save time and money over the years. Better noise reduction. Living in a busy neighborhood or near a highway can result in unwanted noise pollution that disrupts your peace and quiet. Replacement windows provide better soundproofing than older models, thanks to their multi-pane construction and insulating properties. If you live in an area with high traffic or outside noise, these windows can significantly reduce noise levels inside your home. Enjoy the peace and tranquility that comes with a quieter home, whether you're relaxing in your living room or trying to sleep at night. Conclusion: a wise investment for any homeowner. Replacing your windows may seem like a big investment, but the benefits far outweigh the costs. Whether you're looking to save money on energy bills, enhance your home's appearance, or boost its resale value, replacement windows in Orangeburg are an excellent choice. These windows will not only provide you with long-term savings, but they will also improve the overall comfort, functionality, and aesthetics of your home. If you're ready to make a smart investment that will benefit your home for years to come, contact a professional window replacement company in Orangeburg today. Enjoy a more efficient, beautiful, and valuable home with the help of modern replacement windows.